Hi guys, my name is. Hi guys, today is my new video. Today I want to show you how I will be make a motion video for Skrillex. I have number 3. This is graphic designer, and he's made a logo for Skrillex. I very love this logo, and he posted work in other designers who will make a logo in 3D, and I want to make a logo. Okay, now we need to open the Blender. And we need to import SVG logo. I think this. Yes. RX19. And now we delete this. Nice. And join. Origin to geometry. Extrude. Copy. And offset. Well, sorry. Okay. Select camera. Zero and 0. And size 1018 and 1080. Yeah, looks great. Okay, and now I want to add flowers. Add plane, like this, I think. Yeah, it's cool. And now we need to Ctrl A, apply scale, and subdivide. Subdiv, like this. And now we need to add displays. Where's displays? Here, new, click this, and clouds. Or noise. No, need to add clouds. Okay. Size 2, shade smooth, and subdivide surface, render 2. Okay, nice. Now I want to add flowers. I have add-on botanic, a link will be in description, and I want to add scatter and flowers like this, I think. Yes. Okay. And you see. Okay. We can try render. Add environment texture. Maybe pink Spruce sunrise. Okay, and render engine is cycle. GPU compute. And we need to denoise optics. Okay guys, you see, looks so great. I very like it already, but we made a better. Okay, we need to again select. Yes, P selection. And I will name this LLL. No, YLL. And now we need to select this. this, this and this, you know. Okay, and again P selection E name 2. Okay, and I can select this. Yes, yeah, I can select this, and will be more selection. ULL level. Yeah, okay, looks great. And now we can join it. Okay, material. Never mind. Okay, now I want to add material, shader editor, new, and red color here, and here I want to add black, or not. I want to add black. I want to add this light. Here I want to add black, and here I want to add red, I think. Go see. Okay, looks nice.
It's just a chance for human beings to feel
Mm-hmm.
very powerful. And anyway, people have been doing it.
White color looks so great. I want to add light color.
That's how I see it, really.
Yeah, I want to add red and white. Yes. And now we need to add metal, maybe. No. Loudness. Specular. Okay, guys, this is my final work. Look at this. I made this animation flowers. Okay, I'm in camera. I'm selected 24 pixels, 24 focal length, and I'm at to empty. And in camera, I'm at depth to field and select empty, and f-stop 0.6. And I'm animation flowers. In this size scale, use 0 and insert keyframe, and in 15 frames select 1 scale and insert, and we have this is animation. And so guys, very simple. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my Instagram. Okay guys, goodbye.